Welcome to my TechSpicy channel. Today we are going to unbox 7-in-1 electronic cleaner kit, keyboard cleaner kit with brush, 3-in-1 cleaning pen for AirPods Pro, multifunctional cleaning kit for earphone, keyboard, laptop, phone, PC monitor. Seven-in-1. Multifunctional Cleaner Kit Sounce's electronic cleaning kit offers a comprehensive solution for cleaning headphones, keyboards, PC monitors, phones, and more. It includes a cleaning pen for AirPods with a silicone tip, a mini brush, a flocking sponge brush, a high-density soft brush, a cleaning spray bottle, empty, fiber fleece swipe, and a keycap buckle. High-density soft brush and keycap buckle. The high-density soft brush features moderately soft bristles, ideal for cleaning dust in keyboards and monitor crevices. The keycap buckle facilitates effortless key removal for deeper cleaning, specifically designed for mechanical keyboards. Efficiently clean the screen. The kit comes with a 5ml spray bottle, cleaning liquid not included, to fill with screen cleaning liquid. Spraying an appropriate amount on the screen and wiping it with the fiber fleece swipe is simple and effective. The spray bottle and fiber fleece swipe effectively remove dirt, smudges, and fingerprints from cell phones, computers, monitors, lenses, and more. 3-in-1 foldable cleaning pen. The cleaning pen features a silicone tip for dusting earbud holes, a mini brush for cleaning the earphone surface, and a flocking sponge brush for hard-to-reach areas in the charging case. With just one cleaning pen, you can effortlessly refresh your headphones. Easy to carry and store. Sounce's laptop cleaner kit is compact and portable, easily fitting in your hand. With various cleaning tools to meet different needs, it's a versatile tool for work, study, and home. Enjoy the added convenience of a 1-year warranty and 24-hour customer service for any assistance you may need. Contact us immediately if you encounter any issues, and we'll provide prompt solutions. Buy link in description.